Think you're doing push-ups right? Be careful. Most people are wrecking their shoulders, straining their back, and barely training their chest. So let's fix that in 60 seconds. Expose mistakes. Here's what I see all the time. Hips sagging like a hammock, elbows flaring out like chicken wings, or barely lowering the chest. That's not strength. That's sloppy form. Step one, set your hands just under your shoulders, not too wide, not too far forward. Imagine twisting your palms into the floor. This locks your shoulders into place. Step two, core engagement. Step two, brace your core like you're taking a punch. Keep your body straight, head to heels like a plank. Think of your abs as the foundation of a skyscraper. If the base wobbles, everything collapses. Step three, lower your chest, not your stomach, with elbows tucked at about 45 degrees. That's the sweet spot. Strong chest activation, safe shoulders, closing challenge. Now here's your challenge. Drop down and give me 10 flawless reps. Hips level, elbows tucked, chest to the floor. Feel the difference? That's real strength. Master this, and push-ups become your superpower.